Good afternoon. The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no smoking, no talking, no chewing gum, no eating or drinking, no sleeping or laying down, no driving or riding in a moving vehicle. Please keep your device on mute until addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a surface level so that your face may be seen. Good afternoon, Your Honors.
Good afternoon, thank you. Good afternoon. Mr. Luther Williams, you can unmute yourself now for me, okay?
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Now calling the matter of the people versus Luther. Hold on. You good, Miss Sandy? Let me make sure. Okay, cool. Now calling the matter of the people versus Luther C. Williams. This is ticket P 1355779. Count 1, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Count 2, violation of the basic speed law or drove in an unsafe manner. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. May it please the court, Regina Triplett, P69160. On behalf of Mr. Luther Williams, state your name, please.
Luther Williams.
Did you miss some of it, Sandy?
Say it again.
1 second, Mr. Williams.
You're muted.
I'm not muted.
No, not you.
Not you, Mr. Williams. Hold tight, okay?
It froze up just before Miss Triplett started talking, but start over, Judge.
Okay. Now
Is that
calling the
enough?
matter of people versus Luther C. Williams. That's ticket P 1355779. Count 1, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Count 2, violation of basic speed law or drove in an unsafe manner. Attorney Triplett, can you state your name for the record, please?
Your Honor, Regina Triplett, P69160. On behalf of Mr. Luther Williams.
And Mr. Williams, can you state your name for the record, please?
Luther C. Williams.
How are we proceeding, counsel?
Your Honor, I believe the offer was open and tox passenger.
That's correct.
He wishes to avail himself of that offer. They didn't mention the civil infractions on here.
Well, the court is going to dismiss that as a part of the plea if he wants to take that today.
He does, Your Honor.
All right, if so, Mr. Williams, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Triplett about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did.
Hey, did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, they didn't.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Probably for the speeding, but not for the open intoxicants, but yes.
All right, Ms. Triplett, so we want to have a bench or a jury trial, Mr. Williams?
No trial.
No, you just said that you weren't guilty of the open intoxicant. And so that's the count that you were pleading to. So now because you said a lot, I have to have a bench or a jury trial. Which one you want, Mr. Williams?
I really don't want to go to trial. I'd rather just pay the ticket, you know?
Mr. Williams, you just said on the record, when I asked you, were you guilty? You said, yeah, I'm guilty of the speeding ticket, but I'm not guilty of the other one. That's what you just told me, Mr. Williams.
Ma'am, but see, thing about that is,
And the thing
Judge,
about-
you want a bench trial, Mr. Williams? That's a trial by judge we talked about.
yes.
Judge, may we have a bench trial?
You may.
Thank you.
Sir, bench trial is before me as the trier and finder of fact. You're already under oath. Is that what you want to do, sir?
Yes, we're gonna have a bench trial.
All right, I'm gonna do it on the day of, write this down, January 11th.
Yes,
January
ma'am.
11th, 2023. It's gonna be in the morning instead at 9 a.m., okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm setting your bond at $0 personal, and we'll see you then, okay, Mr. Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'll see you then, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, have a good day.
You too. I messed up.
You're fine, Mr. Williams. We'll see you in January.
Hey. All right.
Okay, bye-bye.
Is it Mohammed?
Mohammed, yes.
Okay. Now calling the matters of the people versus Mohammed Yusuf. This is ticket number 293113. One count while drove while license suspended. Ticket number P10044445. One count driver's license never acquired. Ticket number P135723. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper. Count 2, draw, brandish, facsimile firearm. Count 3, consuming marijuana while operating a motor vehicle. Ticket number P135751. One count drive on shoulder pass traffic on highway expressway. Ticket, count 2 is no proof of insurance. Count 3, no valid registration certificate. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Regina Triplett, P69160, on behalf of Mr. Youssef. Mr. Youssef, state your name for the record, please.
Mohammed Yusuf.
How are we proceeding, counsel?
Your Honor, I didn't have an offer for Mr. Youssef.
And one of the reasons why you didn't have an offer is because I think that's a state count, and the state attorney is not here in the afternoon, so.
So that being said, we asked for a pretrial.
Okay, all right, sir. I'm gonna set this pretrial date on November 1st.
Yes.
Okay, November the 1st, it's gonna be at 9 a.m. instead of, 8:30 a.m. instead of this time, okay, via Zoom?
8:30 a.m.
Yes.
Okay. Same
Okay.
judge.
Same,
All right.
same judge, same Zoom information. I'll set your bond at $0 personal on all of these matters. And at that time, we'll be able to come up with some type of resolution if that's how you want to move forward. Okay, Mr. Youssef?
Okay, that sounds good.
All right, so November 1st, 8:30 a.m. via Zoom, same information, okay?
Sounds good.
All right, we'll see you then. Have a good day, okay?
Thank you. You as well.
I will, thank you. Gwendolyn Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, are you at work, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. I'm going to
Okay. Okay. Go ahead. I'm giving you a moment. That's why I asked. I'm giving you a moment to get to a place, okay?
that's fine. I'm going to a private area real quick. My boss told me I could.
Absolutely. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, ma'am. We can continue.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Gwendolyn Williams. This is ticket P13568816. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Regina Triplett, P number 69160, on behalf of Ms. Gwendolyn Williams. Ms. Williams, would you please state your name for the record?
Gwendolyn Williams.
Your Honor, there's been an offer. Ms. Williams wishes to avail herself of it.
Is that right, Ms. Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I affirm. Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Triplett about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the right that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Ms. Williams, I want to take you back to the date of May 25th, 2022. Did you own a Mercedes, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you allow an unlicensed driver to drive that vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
And council, will you stipulate that it was in the area of Van Dyke and East Auto Drive in the city of Detroit?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. So at this time, are you satisfied, council?
Satisfied.
All right. And stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated.
Thank you. So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. I'm going to dismiss the no insurance misdemeanor. Ma'am, this is under what's called a 3-month delayed sentence. That means that as long as you get no new tickets like this one in the next 3 months and you pay my fine, then I'll dismiss this, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Who did you let drive your vehicle, ma'am?
My son.
Okay. Ma'am, you can't allow him to drive your vehicle.
I know, but it was a schedule conflict and I couldn't take him to work because I had to be to work and I had nobody else to take him, so I just let him drove.
Okay. All right. Are these your first 2 tickets, ma'am?
Ma'am?
Are these your first 2 tickets?
Yes, ma'am. These are the only tickets I ever got.
All right, ma'am. I'm gonna waive your cost and fine. But no tickets, okay?
Okay.
3-month delayed sentence. I'm gonna have you come back January 18th, 2023.
Mm-hmm.
8:45 a.m. As long as you have no new tickets, we'll dismiss this, okay?
Okay.
All right, Ms. Williams.
Will I be getting paperwork in the mail?
No, so you need to put that date and time down.
Okay. For
Make
January
sure you put down January 18th.
18th
Yeah.
at 8:30. Okay.
Yep. Thank you, Ms. Williams.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
All right. Ms. Woolman,
Yes, that's me.
now calling the matter for People versus Catherine Ann Woolman. This is ticket number P1355796, 1 count improper plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Regina Triplett, P69160, on behalf of Ms. Catherine Woolman. Ms. Woolman, state your name for the record, please.
Catherine Ann Woolman.
Your Honor, on the matters before the court, the improper plate, Ms. Woolman has shown me that the car is now registered. There was a mix-up with the dealer putting the wrong plate on her car. It's been since resolved. I saw both the application for title with the correct information on it. So she is driving legitimately now. The plates are legit. So we're asking for it.
Being an officer, the court having seen the appropriate documents at this point in time, the court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss this without prejudice. Ma'am, I'm sorry about that mix up at the dealership. You okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you so much.
So I know, I was about to say, it sounds like it wasn't your fault, so it's okay, stuff happens. Thank you for having everything in order, okay?
Thank you. Have a wonderful day, everyone.
You too. Okay, Ms. Wolman, have a good day, okay?
You too. Thank you.
All right,
Ms.
no
Woman.
problem. Bye-bye.
Do I just leave now?
Yep, you
You
just leave your
can.
own set. Thank you
Okay,
so much.
thank you.
All right.
She was in tears. When I was giving her maximum penalties, she was in tears.
Was she? Oh,
So
yeah.
she wasn't gonna call the dealer, but I said, I bet you call that dealer now.
I know that's right. Tell them what happened. Like, make sure you don't do that ever again.
Right.
I know that's scary when you hear the maximum fine, 93 days in jail. Nobody wants to hear that. Like,
She was
what?
in tears, right?
Yeah. Okay. All right. Mr. Johnny Williams.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Johnny Williams. This is ticket number P 1307708. Count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number P 1286583. Count one, no proof of insurance. Count two, no valid registration certificate. Count three, expired plate. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Regina Triple P 69160 on behalf of Mr. Williams. Mr. Williams, state your name for the record.
Johnny Williams.
Your Honor, we're asking for a pretrial. He has some documents, but he needs to get other documents.
So how long is it gonna take you to get the other documents? Because I'm supposed to do my pre-trials in 2 weeks. Is that gonna be enough time for you? Or you
Oh,
need
yes,
more
ma'am.
time?
Yeah,
That's
he
enough-
has
that's
his
enough.
insurance. He just needs to get
Okay.
the other stuff. Mhm.
Okay, cool. So I'm gonna do it on a pre-trial date, sir. November the 1st, okay? November the 1st, it's gonna be in the morning instead though, so you're gonna sign in at 8:30 a.m. All the same Zoom information, okay?
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal, all right?
All right.
All right, I'll see you then, Mr. Williams, with all your documents, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, have a great day.
You too.
I will. Stephen Welcher?
Yes,
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Stephen Welcher. This is ticket number P 1353861. Count one, drove while license suspended. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Count three, loud music from motor vehicle more than 10 feet away. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Your Honor, Regina Triple P 69160 on behalf of Mr. Welcher. Mr. Welcher, please state your name for the record.
Stefan Welcher.
Your Honor, Mr. Welcher is asking for a pretrial.
All right, want to set this matter for a pretrial, sir, on the date of November 1st, okay?
Okay,
November 2022. It's gonna be in the morning instead of the afternoon. So that's at 8:30 a.m., sir, okay?
okay.
All right, I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal. If you need to write it down, because you won't get any notice, sir.
Oh, I won't get a notice. Okay.
No, you-
Oh, yeah, let me
This
write it
next
down.
hearing,
I'm about to write it down now, November 1st. Do I use the same ID number?
yes, it's all the same information. You're just signing in the morning instead of in the afternoon, okay?
8 o'clock in the morning.
That's right, 8:30. Come at 8, you're gonna be on by yourself, okay?
Okay, 8:30.
8:30, okay?
All right,
All right.
thank you.
If there's any further bond to be set at $0 personal, I'll see you on November 1st, okay, sir?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
All right, bye-bye. Mr. Young, I see you. Have a seat. Hold tight. Mr. Troy Young, you can unmute yourself now.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it Troy or is it Tory?
Tori.
Okay, all right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Tory Young. This is ticket number P 1353116. One count 21 to 25 miles over posted speed. Ticket number P 1353144. Drove while license suspended. Ticket number P 445458. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drive unregistered and untitled vehicle. Ticket number 1246857. This is 1 count passenger possess open intoxicants in a motor vehicle. And then there's a ticket and warrant status that he already pled to from 2010. This is ticket number 104571431. This is failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Regina Triplett, P 69160 on behalf of Mr. Young. Mr. Young, state your name.
Tori Young.
Judge, Mr. Young is working, married, 4 children, working full time. He was incarcerated for 5 years and his release date was May 4th, 2021. He thought he had done, I guess, a plea by mail on these matters.
Oh.
And the note for the prosecutor was an instruction to go get his license, but he can't go get his license. Oh,
Hold on a minute, let me see. She must not-
Sorry, I'm having some connection. Hey, what is the deal?
that's okay. I can
The
start.
last
Go back.
I heard is failure to display a valid operator's license, Judge.
Okay, all right. Failure to display valid operator's license, that's in warrant status. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Regina Triplett, P number 69160 on behalf of Mr. Young. Mr. Young, state your name for the record. Unmute yourself.
Tori Young.
Your Honor, Mr. Young has a number of matters before this court. Only 2 appeared on the list for today. Mr. Young did 5 years in Michigan Department of Corrections and was released on May 4th, 2021. He's married, has 4 children, licensed mechanic, high-low driver. He's somebody different. I'm just wondering if he could get time served for these matters, Your Honor. Oh, and I didn't say this. The instruction from the prosecutor on the plea form was that he go get his license, but he can't do that if the matters are outstanding.
So here's the thing, Attorney Triplett. So on his older cases, I'm kind of willing to do that. He has a case from 2015. He has a case from 2012 that I believe exceeds the time limit. So I mean, I can take care of that one. The 2015 one is older, as well as the 2010 one. The problem with his 2 new tickets is that they are from May, Attorney Triplett, 21 to 25 miles over posted speed, and he knows he don't have no license.
So let's do this. So we don't have an offer. Maybe we should set this for a pretrial. I've kind of given him some instructions on what to do. Can we just set those matters for pretrial then, Your Honor?
Absolutely. I was about to say we can do that. So, and you know what, Mr. Young, I am seeing a note on the back of the ticket for the operating while passenger possesses open alcohol in a motor vehicle.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, he sent in a request to the judge to try and have this taken care of. So I do see you were trying, Mr. Young.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's do this. I'm gonna set it for a pretrial date. Let me see if I can get the city prosecutor to come up with some type of offer for you. I don't know if he'll do time served, but we can always ask and kind of see what we can do to try and handle these matters, okay? I'm gonna make a note to myself so that I won't forget why I'm putting this over. Are you available on November the 1st, 2022, sir? November 1st?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, it's gonna be at the morning time instead of this time, so it's gonna be at 8:30 a.m., okay?
Yes, ma'am.
But sign into this same Zoom, okay? I'm gonna make a note to myself about what Attorney Triplett said today and see what we can do to try and help you out with this matter, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And I did confirm the dates with Michigan Department of Corrections per Otis, Your Honor.
Well, it looks like he, in the letter, I ain't got too much of his business out there. That's why I said
Okay.
I did receive a letter saying that he was trying to handle one of them. It's the newer tickets that I'm a little concerned about, but we'll see what we can do. Come
Stay out
back
the way,
on
Ms. Young.
November 1st, 2022, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, sir.
Stay out the way, Mr. Young.
This person, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you're all set, Mr. Young. Okay, just come back that day. What date you coming back to see me?
November 1st in the morning.
In the morning, 8:30 a.m. Log in just the way you logged in today, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'll see you then, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Judge, I just need to plug in another plug. I'm not getting power to my laptop. Hold on one moment, okay?
Okay. All right, Mr. Young, you're all set. You can sign off.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. You okay, Mr. Young?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I just want to check. All right, have a good day.
You too.
I will. Bye-bye. Okay.
Mr. Young trying to take care of business now. He getting caught up.
Okay, it's straight now. For some reason, that plug it's on a strip, electrical strip, and that particular plug just stopped getting power.
Uh-oh.
Maybe it got hot. Did it get hot?
I don't know. I didn't feel it, but I put it in the same strip and just in a different socket, and it's working okay now. I don't know where it was up with that. All right, thanks.
No problem. That was in the docket anyway.
Really?
Yep, we're all set.
Perfect. All right.
All right, thank you so much. I